about to get these patties made on up. I just need to get myself prepared. So I have a pound of oyster mushrooms, and I have my chickpeas all cleaned up and ready. So I'm gonna put them inside of the pan and get them smashed. I like the control that I have over the consistency when I do this with a fork, or even if I was to use it with like a potato masher. These are gonna be like the what do you call those little slider sizes? Yeah, these are gonna be tiny little slider size patties. This is what I'll be making here. All mashed up. Now we're gonna start putting in everything else. Oh, yummy. These are all my oyster mushrooms. If you have another type of mushroom that you would like to use, then definitely go ahead and add it with it. You can use multiple type of mushrooms with this. So you're just gonna add in all of our mushrooms. Just a half teaspoon of some tomato powder, 2 teaspoons of my mushroom powder, a dash of cayenne pepper, a little bit of onion powder, about a teaspoon of my chipotle flakes, and I'm going to put a little bit of agave inside of here as well. Alright, so I'm going to put up some sweet onion and put in here. I already put in about 1/4 cup of some Kamut breadcrumbs. Take out a piece and try it. See what it tastes like. About a tablespoon of your favorite barbecue sauce, and you mix that with this as well. I'm just gonna let that sit inside of the refrigerator for about 45 minutes, just so that all of the flavors can go all the way through. Then we're gonna be ready to make the patties. Okay, so we're just gonna grab a had new alarms put in, and I cannot cook without having the alarms to go off. So I'll be right back. Where's my dish towel? Ah! Oh my gosh, it seems like I cannot cook anything these days without an alarm going off, okay? Had new fire or smoke detectors put in. Get to cooking, alarms go off. So I learned this trick from my mom. Wet a dish towel and wring it out and just fling it around. Especially over there where the smoke detector is. Alright, so I'm making these patties. And I'm just going to get them all laid out here. And then I'm going to turn my grill on and get ready for the alarm to start back up. So funny. It's just too funny. Alright, so I'm going to make all these, get them all laid out, and then get them over on the grill. And get them yummy, yummy, delicious. Don't that look like meat? Look at it. It looks like meat.
Oh, yeah.
But of course, we know better. But look at it. Yeah, but look at it. It looks like meat. Alright, so I am not gonna do all of these on camera. So I'm gonna finish up all these patties. And then I shall be back. I can only fit like 4 on this thing. So, over to the grill I go. Over to the grill I go. Before the alarm go off again. Yeah. So I can't cook anything these days without this thing going off.
Yummy.
The burgers are all done.
Oh yeah.
And y'all have no idea what I just went through. The alarm, the smoke detector, it just continued to go off all while the burgers were on the grill. Non-stop, non-stop, non-stop. It was absolutely bananas. Aww. But it's all done. Now that my burgers are done, the only thing left to do is to eat them.
Yummy.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
It's really good. It's so good. We need to have like tasteful vision or something. Because these are so good. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna make some greens. Greens.
Oh yeah.